Let's draw anything using geometry nodes in Blender. First, press Shift A, go to the curve and add a bezier curve. Open the geometry node panel and click New to create a new node setup. Now press Shift A, add a curve to point node between group input and output. Select the curve, go to the edit mode and scale it on the x-axis to make it longer. Back to the geonode panel, connect the count value to group input so we can control the density later from the modifiers tab. Next, add instance on point node, connect it like this, then add random value node, set it to vector and duplicate it, set it to float. Back in the viewport, press Shift A, add object like a cube, cone and torus, then select all, press M to create a new collection named objects, then press GZ and move them up slightly so they are above the ground. Drag the object collection into the geometry nodes and connect it to the instance on points. Right now all the objects appear clustered together. To separate them, enable separate children and pick instance so objects are distributed separately along the curve. Now go to the edit mode, move and extrude the curve to see the instance following it. Adjust the count value in the modifiers tab to change the object density. To control rotation and scale values, connect the random value vector to rotation and connect the random value floor to scale. Drag their max value to group input to expose them in modifiers. Now let's go back to the edit mode, delete the curve, select the draw tool from the left toolbar, start drawing any shape you want directly in the viewport. I will write art overview like this. You can also move individual vertices for adjustment. If you want different objects for your scene, create a new collection and other object, drag the collection into geometry nodes and replace the objects collection input. You can also adjust the density, rotation and scale value in the modifiers tab for more customization. To make controls clearer, press N in the geonode panel, go to the group tab. I will rename count to object density, max to rotation and other max to scale. And that's it. Now you can draw anything using this geometry node setup in Blender. Follow Art overview for more.